This 2022 Entegra Coach Accolade 37TS is a Super CRV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 39 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 10, skylight, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, air conditioning, refrigerator, awning, microwave, LP detector, smoke detector, slide out, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2022 Entegra Coach Accolade 37TS is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.